Hello and welcome to today's quick video on how to hold a pendulum. My name is Renu Arora and I'm an energy healer who uses a pendulum in all my work, and I'm here to teach you how to master pendulum use too. So let's dive right in. Now, most people will tell you that you should hold your pendulum right here at the very tip and keep your hand absolutely steady while you let the pendulum move. That's okay if you want to let your pendulum move really, really slowly. Now, what you really want to do is hold the tip, hold the top in such a way that you can feel the chain. Now, the reason for that is when you get really good at pendulums, when you honestly begin to master it, you will start feeling the chain as it slips along your fingers. So right here, when I'm holding it, I've got a yes, it's rubbing against the tip of my finger there. If it switches to a no, I move my hand along with it and I can feel it there. So if you have the pendulum in contact with your finger somewhere, you'll be able to feel it move. And as you get better and better, you'll know it right in advance. You'll be able to move your hand as you feel the pendulum start to move. If you ever see any of my, in my YouTube videos, my other healing demos or anything like that, you'll see my pendulum moves a lot. It moves really wide. So you want to be able to move your hand in time with the pendulum so you don't hit yourself. And that's all for this video. You can find more tips in my other videos, in addition to my book, The No Nonsense Guide to Pendulums. For more information on all of that, on other dowsing tips in my book, check out my bio or the description underneath this video. Until then, happy dowsing.